So we are in Dankuni right now, and from here we are starting the ride. There is Sahil, Sid, and here is Yasarda. So we'll be going and having a breakfast. This is a small ride. Here we're just going for breakfast. From there we'll go to Polsit, Damodar, and we'll be back by 12 or 1 hopefully. So see you on the ride. Breakfast, and it got crowded all of a sudden, and we are moving to Polsit right now. So we'll go there, we'll do a bit of off-road trail, and we'll come back. So see you on the ride again. On the way to Polsit riverbank, and we are just stopped here to enjoy the serenity out of the city, the fields. So unfortunately Asad had to go back. He's having some issues with his bike. So right now we are the only 4 adventurers over here. So from here we'll be going, stopping at the ghat. So see you from the ghat. Damodar bank over here. So recently there have been a lot of rains and the bank is all flooded. So it's all muddy over here. So we had a bit of an off-road patch over here, but the way to the ghat is all muddy. So we didn't try that. We're standing over here. The guys are over here. We're going to go back from here. Turning now, and it seems there is a massive jam on the highway. So we have been redirected to the service road. We'll take the service road all the way to Dankuni and we'll try to see if we can beat the jam.